Hello friends, today we are going to look into the daily current affairs in a question and answer model of May 3rd and 4th. Let's get into the topic. The first question, which state was formed along with the Maharashtra as a result of the Bombay Reorganization Act, which came into effect on May 1, 1960? They are just asking the state to day of which state along with Maharashtra, sir? Which state along with Maharashtra? The right answer is Gujarat, sir. As we see, Gujarat is also recently in news as the Kadian Village Industry Commission have set up India's first silk processing unit, sir. India's first silk processing unit in Gujarat, sir. KVIC have set up India's first silk processing unit in Surendranagar district, Gujarat, for the Patola sarees. As the other facts, sir, Gujarat have the largest statue, the Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is also placed in Gujarat, sir. And the second tallest statue is also in Gujarat, which is in Ahmedabad. As Kadian Village Industry Commission, which have also set up a tie-up with Titan, sir, to make wrist of Titan, sir. Kadian Village Industry Commission, which is under which ministry, sir? Kadian Village Industry Commission is under Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Ministry, sir. Micro, Small, Medium and Enterprises Ministry. Let's get into the next question, sir. Who has recently assumed charge as the next Economic Affairs Secretary after superannuation of Atanu Chakrabarti? Right answer is Tarun Bajaj, sir. Recent assumed next Economic Affairs Secretary. As we see the appointments, there are few other appointments which have been recently seen in news, sir. Mrs. Preeti Sudan have got an extension where she is placed on Union Health Secretary, sir. Union Health Secretary. And Mr. Rajesh Verma have replaced Injati Srinivasa to become the Corporate Secretary. And Mr. Arvind Kumar Sharma have become the Secretary of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises Secretary. And one more character, Giridhar Armani has been appointed as the Secretary of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, sir. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Next question, sir. According to the recent survey conducted by the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, which state recorded the highest unemployment rate in April 2020, sir? Highest unemployment rate in 2020, sir. Right answer is Tamil Nadu, sir. This CMI, Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, have been set up in 1976, sir. Located in Mumbai, which is a highly independent body which could do as the recent reports which affects the Indian economy, sir. Next question, sir. Which is the first state to bring its migrant laborers after lockdown throughout the special Sharmik trains run by Ministry of Railways, sir? Right answer is Jharkhand. Next question, sir. Chakau, a variety of black rice that recently bagged the geographical location indication tag, is found in which state? GI tag has been given to Chakau, a black variety rice which is found in which state? Right answer is Manipur, sir. And the Gorakhpur terracotta, which have also got the GA tag, sir, which belongs to UP. And the Kovilpatti groundnut burpees have also got the GA tag, sir. Next question, sir. So, with this, we are ending the question and answer model, sir. Now we'll discuss the few facts which are being running around the world as a current affairs, sir. As we all know, the 30th April, sir. 30th April, which is celebrated as Ayushman Bharat Divas. Ayushman Bharat Divas. And the 1st of May, sir. 30th of April is Ayushman Bharat Divas, and 1st of May is International Labor Day, sir. International Labor Day, which is celebrated in India in 1923, first on Madras, sir. First on Madras, which is organized by Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan. Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan in 1923, first celebrated in India on the location of Madras in 1923, sir. Next, a few books, sir. A few books which have been authored and delivered during the lockdown period, which are seen recently in the month of April and May, sir. Our Union Culture Ministry of Culture and Heritage have launched an e-book. By BP Lal, India Rediscovery, sir. India Rediscovery. Mr. BP Lal is a famous archaeologist, sir, and the Ministry of Culture is Mr. Prahalad Singh, sir. And the next book is Shuttling to the Top. Shuttling to the Top. Shuttling to the Top, based on the eventual life of PV Sindhu, as the name itself suggests. PV Sindhu, which is authorized by the sports journalist V. Krishnaswamy. V. Krishnaswamy. And next, The Art of Her Deal. The Art of Her Deal, based on the Melania Trump, authored by Mary Jordan, sir. Authored by Mary Jordan, sir. And the other facts, FIFA have also started a campaign, sir. FIFA have also started up a campaign for the appraisal of sanitary workers, which the campaign is called as We Will Win, sir. We Will Win. And next is the Yash initiative, sir. Yash initiative, which has been developed by the NCST and DST, sir. NCSTC is the National Center for Science and Technology Communication. National Center for Science and Technology Communication, along with Department of Science and Technology, sir, with a special focus on COVID-19 patients and health of the citizens. And recently, sir, Ramayana have made a world record as it have got the highest viewed program, sir. Highest viewed program in the COVID-19 lockdown period, sir. Next is a Petersburg dialogue, sir. We have seen Petersburg dialogue, sir. Petersburg dialogue, which is related to climate, sir, which have got 11th edition, sir. 11th edition, hosted by Germany, co-chaired by UK, sir. Co-chaired by UK. And Indian Council of Medical Research, along with Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, have launched a Twitter campaign called COVID-19 India Seva. COVID-19 India Seva, to solve the queries of the COVID-19, sir. The CEO of Twitter, which have been launched in Twitter, the ICMR, along with Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, have launched a Twitter campaign called COVID-19 India Seva. The CEO of Twitter is Jack Dorsey, sir. With this, we are wrapping up this edition. See you in the next week, sir.